What's up everyone? In this video we are going to hunt the birds. When I say hunt, I mean capture the birds in the video. So the sun is still very bright and it is 5:25 p.m. Later on, as the sun sets, we get a lot of birds up here. So in this video we are just gonna catch a footage of lot of birds and check out how many different kind of birds we will be able to see. There are a lot of bats up here, so I'm betting we got to see a lot of bats, but still the view is pretty good. The sun is bright. The day is absolutely beauty, but yep, I think with the birds flying around at evening, it will be more nice. Later, this is the sweet spot when the sun is about to set, makes the atmosphere looks very nice. I love that specifically. Oh, this is perfect. The sun is setting now. It starts to get pretty cool after the sun sets, but before that it's still hot up here. And oh yeah, we found some birds up there. Yep, let's go. Incoming. Okay, they're out. So yep, I really love how the sky gets painted during the sunset, and I think to get to see this view in itself is a blessing. Yep, I said that. Meanwhile, we did not sell any sail. We made it today. Prava is here. Oh baby, by the, and we are just enjoying the view. Oh yes, found some birds. All right, let's go check those clouds out. And some more birds incoming. Oh yes, big one. Hurry up, man. Hurry up. Yes. All right. Good luck. All right, we'll wait more. All right, Houston, we have discovered a lone wolf. Yep, got it. Thank you, Houston. We'll take clear of the Coast Guard after this. Yep, bye-bye. There is another one up there. Alright, let's... Yep, got you. Oh, they must see pretty nice stuff from up there. Hey, everybody's dancing. Alright, hang on. I got you. Yup, another one. Oh, this one. Bye bye. Oh, that's screaming. That's not happy. Yep. Oh. Let's find some more pots. Anyway, yep. Alright, I think now we have more birds. Oh, that's a parrot. Yep. They give a very nice show. Anyway, yep guys, I just love hanging out in the YouTube, make some YouTube videos. And I made a couple of YouTube videos. I tried different things. And after some time I just realized, you know what, man, just be yourself. You know, just be you. And hang in there, you know, see, enjoy, take it easy, don't stress a lot about it. And then I just started doing some random things, and right now I just love showing you all these birds I see up here in the sky. This is a very beautiful evening. So by this time the bats should already be here, but they are not here yet. I don't know if the bats are gonna be here today. still hanging in here. I'm just hanging in. Please bat, come for the screen. You will have a grand entry. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have a very special guest in the sky. Let's go. Oh, where is? Oh, yeah, we see it. Please give her a big applause. I don't know. Oh, that's really nice. And there are some birds that are talking from up that tree. And oh, this is everything. Like we watch pretty nice big budget movies, and like I feel like they spend a lot of money just to get this kind of you know exposure, and I feel pretty lucky to get to see these up here every day. All right, I think the bats have appeared. Where are they? Alright, I think the bats have appeared in the screen. Yep, these are the first wave of bats. They come after the sun sets every day, and it looks pretty dope. And we have more in the screen. Now it's like never ending bats. If you ask for it, now deal with it. Alright. Oh, they're pretty. Yep. And we have more. So this is all about bats. Let me sit down here. So yep, I feel like I just want to sit down and enjoy the presence of bat for a while. Oh, they look really nice. Yep. So anyway, let's talk about YouTube for a while as we are looking up at the bats in the screen. Yeah, so I've been doing YouTube for like what, 3 years, 4 years now. I tried many different formats of video. I did educational kind of, I'm no expert, but I try to figure out, hey, let me do this. But all right, it's up there in the YouTube. And I also made some daily blogs where I show how I run my small business here in Australia. And I'm kind of tired of making the same kind of video every day, so I just thought, hey, let me switch up something, and just hang in there where I don't put a lot of efforts. I just take my day very easily, and that has been the whole plan so far, and I'm really loving it. Oh, it looks nice. Then now there's a lot of birds. Anyway, yep, I really don't know much what I'm doing, to be honest. I just like hanging around, make some videos, talk about YouTube. I love YouTube. I feel like I think like everybody should be making some really nice, anything about, and then putting up here is it's just like making your own, showing your personality. So yep. Oh yep, that's a big silencer, and our star is up there. So I'm gonna end my video up here because the bats are gonna continue coming, and I think this will be it for now, for today. I'll come up with something tomorrow. I'll have to think, but I think yep, I don't know, yep, see you when I see you, I guess. And enjoy the bats.